Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. How are y'all doing? Today, as you can see from the background, I have a huge Chanel box that I have to unbox with you, and I've never ever been so excited about a Chanel unboxing as I am right now. My heart is beating so fast. Today I'll be unboxing a bag that I've been wanting for over, I would say 7-8 years, and I can't believe it's finally here and finally mine. So there is a bit of a drama involved as well. It's a very special Chanel unboxing. I'm very nervous right now, so I don't want to mess it up. I want this unboxing to be perfect. So let's get started. I can't wait. Can you guys guess what it is? Let's see how many of you can guess what bag I got. It is a handbag, it is a Chanel bag, and it is a classic bag. So we're still in lockdown here in the UK, but I couldn't wait any longer. I needed some Chanel in my life. After 3 months in lockdown, I was like, no, I can't do this anymore. I need some Chanel. I called my SA and basically this is what happened. So all the boutiques in the UK are still closed. They will be reopening on the 15th of June. I'm not sure when this video will be coming up, but the boutiques will reopen on the 15th and you can only visit by appointment. That's what I've been told by my SAs. Harrods and Selfridges are also reopening on the 15th, so I'm not sure how they'll allow people in, because you can't. I doubt they will do it by appointment. I guess they will just allow a certain number of people in, and maybe you would have to queue up. I'm not sure, but I'll let you guys know because I definitely want to go and check out what they have in Harrods and finally go out shoppy. I'll definitely let you know once I have more info, so stay tuned. So this I purchased over the phone and they took my details, they sent me a link via email, and I had to go and make a secure payment online. Okay, so let's open it. Whew. Okay, oh my god, I'm actually shaking right now. Imagine if this is the wrong bag. Imagine if they wrapped something else, because I haven't actually seen this. And funny thing is that I've never seen this bag. I have seen it in a different size and different color combination with like different hardware, but I've never seen it in real life in this color combination, and this has always been my dream bag. Whew. My receipt, I asked them to put the receipt inside. I'll talk about pricing later because as you guys know, they increased the prices, so very careful with the sticker. Let me put it down because I want to unbox it very carefully. It's in the classic Chanel dust bags. You guys know only the classic flat bags come in this dust bag. All the other ones come in a black dust bag. All the booklets are inside. We don't care about those, so let me leave this on the floor. Okay, so here it is. Big breath, and oh my god. Oh my god, hello, welcome to the family. Oh my god. And the reveal. Ta-da-da-da. Oh my god. Oh my god, this is so special. Oh, my little precious bag. So guys, let me remove all the wrapping. Oh my god, no way! My bag is made in France. This is my first ever Chanel bag with a stamp made in France. All my other Chanel bags are with a stamp made in Italy. And you may know, guys, that even if you ask for a made in France bag, they never give you one. Even if they have it in stock, they're very rare with that made in France stamp. I've tried to get bags with that stamp before, but they always say we don't have one. So, oh my god, this is extra special now. Okay. Whew. Okay, this is the bag. What do we think? Did you guys guess that I got the classic beige Chanel flap? This one is in the size medium. This is my first ever Chanel double flap classic quilted medium handbag, and I am so in love. I've never seen this bag in person because this is probably one of the most difficult bags to get from Chanel. It is always sold out. This is in the color beige clair and it's always sold out. So I was very surprised when they told me they have it. I also picked up something else for this bag, so let me show you. I'll do a quick unboxing and show you. I bought an organizer from Samorga. You know how much I love Samorga organizers, so I want to show you a short clip of how I fit the organizer inside, how it fits, how it looks. So as soon as I placed my Chanel order, I went straight to the Samorga website and wanted to get a really nice organizer for it because it's in a very light color and I was scared of color transfer. I wanted to protect the bag because it's very pricey. So I picked up this beautiful Samorga organizer. I love these organizers because not only do they help your bag organized, but they also help to maintain the shape of your bag while you're using it or if you're storing it. The organizers are very lightweight. They're made of felt and they don't take up more space, so you're still able to fit the same amount of items inside your bag. The organizers are very lightweight, they're very soft, but at the same time they're very structured. So if you have a larger bag and you want to maintain the shape, I highly recommend you get one of these inserts because they'll keep the shape of your bag. The Chanel double flaps are very structured, but they are so expensive, so I definitely wanted to get an organizer to protect the inside of the bag because it is in beautiful lambskin leather and mine is in a very light color, so definitely needed one. It's so easy to find items and organize the inside of your bag, and also if you have other bags in the same size, you can just quickly pick up the organizer from your handbag with the contents inside and put it in the other bag. So this is how easy it is. It just makes your life easier and more organized. You can get an organizer in the same color or contrasting color. I like to be matchy-matchy, so I always get the same color as the handbag. Or I also have the Nice BB vanity, makeup vanity, and I have an organizer for that as well. So definitely check out some more organizers. They have an insert for every handbag that you can imagine. You can contact them if you're not sure about the size or the color. They're very helpful. You can DM them, you can email them. They ship very fast with FedEx, and I have a discount code for you guys. You can use my discount code. This is not commission based. I don't get any commission. It's just a little thank you from Samorga and me, and yeah, we're giving you 20% off all the organizers. So check out Samorga, I'll link them down below. So back to the bag. Let's talk more about this bag. As I mentioned, this is in the medium. This is my first ever medium-sized classic Chanel bag and I love it. I kind of wish I added a medium size to my collection earlier when the prices were still cheaper. I mean, the bags were so much cheaper a few years ago when I was first looking at the medium flaps, and to be honest, I kept checking for this color, and every time I went to a Chanel boutique, they always told me it's not available, it's sold out, or they had darker shades of beige, and I definitely wanted the beige clair. This is the most classic, most beautiful Chanel, and it's with gold hardware. The one with gold hardware is very difficult to find, and I've only seen this bag in lambskin with silver. That's why I told you that I've seen it on pictures, on YouTube videos, on review when I've watched reviews, but I've never actually seen this bag in person because it's so impossible to get, or at least every time I go and ask for it, I'm always told that they don't have it. I have a feeling the medium flap will be my new favorite size. I do have a jumbo, which to be honest I don't wear as much anymore, or if I wear it, I wear it as a top handle bag because it's very heavy. The small is a bit too small for me because I'm quite tall. For reference, I'll insert some mod shots so you can see how this one looks on me. For reference, I'm 171 centimeters tall, which is about 5'6". I can crossbody it, but it looks a bit weird, so I think I will mainly wear this as a one shoulder bag. I've heard of some services, some like companies, I think it is in America though, that can extend the chain, the strap. I'm not sure how they do it. I'm not sure if there is a company here based in London. Let me know if you've heard of one that can extend the chain of your bag, because I definitely don't want to send my bag overseas all the way to America. I'll be so scared. So let me quickly open up the bag. I'm sure everyone has seen a classic Chanel flap inside, but just show you. This is how it looks on the inside. One compartment here, which is like a bigger one, a smaller one here, two pockets at the back, and one lipstick holder compartment. Last, I want to talk about the price. You may know, guys, I was going to film a video about the price increase, but literally everyone on YouTube did a video about the Chanel price increase, so I'm sure many of you already know everything about it, all the details. Let me leave the bag here so I don't have to hold it all the time, plus you can still look at it in the background. Yeah, so I decided not to film a Chanel price increase video. I thought it wasn't necessary, so I skipped that. But oh my god, yes, there was a drama involved in purchasing this bag, but it's a very long story and it's so annoying. I bought this bag one day after the price increase. Yes, that means I paid more. I paid £680 more. You know how Chanel SAs are always very polite when they talk to you, or at least all my Chanel SAs, because I have a Chanel SA in every single boutique in London. I have their contact, so if I WhatsApp them, they're always very polite when they reply, or even if I've known them for so many years, they're still very polite. They talk to me very polite when I meet them in person as well. And this guy, well, my SA on Walton Street, I was talking to him first and I was trying to get the bag before the price increase. He suddenly, from being so polite, he suddenly became so rude. The messages he sent me, they sounded so rude, and I don't know why he was annoyed at me. I wanted to spend my money and buy a Chanel bag, and he sounded annoyed at me. He didn't want to sell me the bag because he knew that they'll have their price increase the next day. He didn't want to sell me the bag on purpose. I don't know if they were instructed not to sell bags the day before the increase, but he could have said that to me. Instead, he was just being very rude. But yeah, that's the story. So he's blocked now. He's not my SA. One of my other SAs helped me from the other boutiques. So I ended up buying the bag, unfortunately, right after the price increase. And the medium size now retails for, prepare yourself, £5,300. So this is the price. I know, I wish I bought it earlier. So yeah, this is basically what happened. In short, well, it wasn't very short, was it? I wasn't even planning to talk about it. Anyway, it's done now. No regrets. I think I'll still continue buying Chanel bags. If you're a Chanel lover, I don't like, you know that they have a price increase every year and their prices go up every year, sometimes twice a year. I remember one year they increased their prices 3 times. So yeah, the timing wasn't great, but we all know Chanel does this. We all know Chanel has price increases, and they have the increase only on the classic pieces. So yes, the prices are ridiculous, I know, but I love Chanel and I think I'll keep buying Chanel bags. Yes, the price increase this time was quite steep. I think the Chanel Maxi is almost as much as a Hermes Birkin now. There was this picture, I'll try and find it and insert it here, that I found on Instagram, and I know it is crazy. Would you guys still keep buying Chanel after the price increase? Let me know in the comments. I would love to hear what you guys think of the Chanel price increase, and if you would still buy the classic flap bags or any bags. Alright, so that's it. This is my new Chanel bag that I've been wanting for so long, and it's finally mine. I'm so happy. Don't forget to check out Zimmermann, guys, and definitely use the 20% off discount for your order if you want to purchase some nice organizers for your handbag. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know what you think in the comment section down below. Also, you can come follow me on my Instagram, where you can see how I style the new baby and you can see my daily outfits, so I'd love to see you there as well. Thank you so much for watching again, and I'll see you very soon in my next video. Bye guys.